Hi viewers, controlling the washing machine motor speed with SCR controller and 5-in-1 socket board. So here you can see I have connected the power supply to the SCR, then output of the SCR given to the board. From board we have connected a cord to the washing machine motor. Now we can start and check whether it will control the speed of the washing machine motor or not. Now you can see initially it having a very slow speed, but slowly the speed is increasing. As I increase the speed, it is increasing. Now I am reducing the speed, it is reducing the speed. Once again check. As I turn the knob, it will start. You can see speed is increasing. Now we can reduce the speed. Speed is increasing. Now once again, as I turn the knob, the indicators glows brighter and brighter, and the same speed is increasing for the same respective knob position. Here is the overall setup. So final conclusion is we can control the speed of the washing machine motor with this 4000 watt SCR module. Thank you for watching.